Now we will learn how to find the dimension formula of any quantity. So first we know that the 7 basic quantities and its representation. If anywhere in the quantity there will be the mass and it is SI unit kilogram, then it is represented in form of M. Similarly, meter we can write in dimensionally L, and time is denoted by T. So basic is the M, L and T. This is the dimension representation. Let's take an example. Area. General formula is the length into my width. So here these are two length and width is also a length. So we can write L into my L is equal to L square, and this SI unit is meter square. Second, volume. General formula is LBH. These are also length. So we can write L into my L is equal to L cube and meter cube. Third is the speed or velocity, and the general formula of the speed is distance per unit time. Here d distance is a length, so we can write L, and t is the time, and for time we can represent it by t. L upon t is equal to Lt minus 1. This is the dimension formula of the speed or velocity, and the SI unit is meter per second. Next is the acceleration, and the general formula of the acceleration is velocity or speed per unit time, S upon t. We can take here speed or velocity any. So we know that the dimension formula of the speed is Lt minus 1. So we can write Lt minus 1 upon t, and this is the Lt minus 2. This is the dimension formula of the acceleration, and this SI unit is meter per second square. Next is we can write force, and the general formula of the force is mass into my acceleration, and we know that here is the mass and it is denoted by m. So we can write m into my, we know that the dimension formula of acceleration is Lt minus 2. So we can write Lt minus 2, and it becomes m Lt minus 2. This is the dimension formula of the force, and this SI unit is Newton. Now in the similar way you can also check the dimension formula. Similarly, in the same way you can also find the dimension formula of work. We know that work is equal to F into my distance, and we know that the dimension formula of force is mLt minus 2 into my distance is L. So mL T minus 2, and SI unit is joule. Now the dimension formula of pressure. Pressure is the force per unit area, and we know the dimension formula of the force is mLt minus 2 L2. Area is the L2. So mL minus 1 T minus 2. Power, work done upon my time. So we know that the dimension formula of the work is mL minus 1 T minus 2. So we get mL minus 1 T minus 2 upon my T is equal to mL2 T minus 2. This is the dimension formula of the power. So these are the main basic dimension formulas, and you can also find all the dimension formulas by using these basic concepts.